We haven't recorded properly in a long time. It's basically March now, but yeah, things have been busy and
it's not like we haven't done stuff, we've done bits, we just recorded it.
yeah, so today we're both free, so we're going to try and get the steering in place.
Yeah. Once we've got steering, it'll make it a lot easier to move it around. We've removed most of the front suspension, we've taken the springs out and used some fence posts to set the ride height we want, so we know where it wants to sit. We've just got to connect it up so we can move it about a little bit easier.
Yeah.
If we compare the two bodies side by side, you can see the hot rod front doors are near enough where the back doors of the Kia are. So if we draw a straight line from the front seat of the Kia to intersect the front seat of the hot rod, you can see that there's quite a gap where the seats have moved backward. So here Dan is sat comfortably, holding the steering wheel where he feels comfortable, and I'm cable tying the door on because we want to make sure we don't weld the steering wheel too close to the door. It is part of the IVA regulations that you need to have a set amount of distance between the steering wheel and the nearest inside point of the car. With the steering column extension made, we basically welded some tube between the circular flange by the bulkhead and the short shaft that comes off the steering rack. Front of the body shell, we've put all this sort of bolt-in framework just to give us want a solid place to mount things like the steering column, somewhere for the seat. Obviously the floor's been done for a little while now, and we're just trying to work out the controls. So steering, we've done, had to rework slightly to get it to sit right, but since the last video the grille has been mounted. So this front grille shell, and we've made some bars there that connect it to the body, so we've got the bonnet on as well. We've got floor templates, these wooden bits here are floor templates, these fence posts here are, we've been fiddling with checking the ride height. Currently there's no suspension in it at the minute, which is why it's sat so low. But yeah, I've not been very good at doing the video stuff because it takes so long, and I just want to crack on with making some proper progress on the hot rod. So I'll probably film it like this. You know, I'll do a bit of work, then film it and just talk about it. Obviously let me know in the comments if you prefer this, if you don't like this. Yeah, the more feedback the better the content. I know what works, what doesn't work and things like that. Please like and subscribe and hit the notifications bell to stay up to date with the latest episodes of The Build.